Hello guys, we'll be showing you an SQL injection. So first we'll give you a rundown on what an SQL injection is and how it works, and then we will proceed to actually execute an SQL injection. So an SQL injection is a string of SQL code that is written to exploit servers that are made with SQL code. We'll be using the application called SQL map. So this is an inbuilt application on the Linux distribution Kali Linux. It's one of the easiest and most used methods of pen testing on MySQL servers. What it basically does is, firstly, it scans the server and discovers what type of server it is. If the server is exploitable, it falls into the exploitable criteria, and if it falls into that criteria, the SQL injection submits a query. This query is submitted to the server, which is later given to the database, and the database basically thinks that that's a normal query, so it willingly gives us the information that we need. So we will proceed to show you some of the data we have actually managed to get with the SQL injection.
My name is Ivan, and I'll be the one doing the SQL injection. As my colleague Svetoslav said, we will be using the application SQL map for our pen testing purposes. We will search for websites that have the exploit, which is called PHP ID equals 1. And the way we're going to search for those websites is literally just Google them. And if we type PHP ID equals 1, websites with this type of exploit will show. And I have already chosen a website, and it will be this one. It will be really good if it opens. Finally. As you can see, it's a normal website, nothing too shady, but the security on the website is full of crap. And the way now we're going to test it, if it is exploitable, we'll first start the terminal. We will start the terminal, we will type SQL map, and then we will type the parameter u, which basically allows us to target a specific website URL. So if we copy this URL and paste it in the terminal, and then type the parameter -a, which literally means gather every type of information that you can find on the database of the server. And then we simply press enter. As you can see, now the SQL is starting to test which type of a server it is. And when it starts to gather information, if it starts, we'll see that the website it is exploitable.
12 seconds later.
And as we can already see in the first minutes of the attack, we already have major data leaks that are consisted of emails.
3 hours later.
And the SQL injection has been completed. It took a while because we searched for every bit of information, but now we'll scroll up and show you what we found. We have found something really interesting. We have found a whole email with the date that has been written, with the 3 names of the guy that had wrote the email to the company, and the email itself, with the guy's email included. And there's even more down below. We just have to scroll down. Up. Another one. The guy's name, the guy's email, and what he has written to the company. And unlucky for him, he has literally written his phone number on the email, so now you have his phone number too. There is even more. We just have to scroll down.
A few moments later.
And another email. Here's the date, the name, the guy's email, and what he has written. It's interesting, and it's really easy. That's why we show it to you. Everybody can do it. Just set up a virtual Kali Linux, open the app, follow the instructions, and you can do SQL injections to the websites with this type of exploit. So that's basically it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and like the video if you like it. Peace.